Being a parent is the hardest job in the world.
Dude!
Sorry.
But we wouldn't change it for the world, would we? Would we, honey?
Yeah.
Don't we all know how hard it is to entertain the entire family together? So I bought this, the Roxy. It's easy to set up, you just plug and play. The Roxy is a music entertainment experience for the whole family. It's got unlimited music streaming, karaoke-style singing, music trivia games, worldwide radio, and a therapeutic sound machine. Pretty cool, huh?
Who are you talking to?
It has millions of tracks to choose from, which is over 100 years of great music. 100 years, they'll have moved out by then, right? Right? The Roxy also has music quizzes, so your kids will finally be impressed with your encyclopedic knowledge of all music. That's Baby from Justin Bieber's follow-up to his seminal classic My World 2. Wow, Dad, it's like you know everything. I want to be as cool as you when I grow up. The Roxy also has a bundle of therapeutic sounds for those moments when you just need to chillax. It even has karaoke, which can be fun if kids can recognize talent when they see it.
What do you think?
What? So that's the Roxy. With a smart voice search and a bundle of music entertainment experiences, I think it's gonna make this parenting thing pretty easy. Who's even doing that?
Lost your keys? With Tracker Pixel, just grab your phone and find them. Like that. Or press Tracker Pixel to make your phone ring loudly, even on silent mode. Spend more time doing what you love and less time looking for your stuff. With the family sharing feature, everyone in the family can keep track together. Find things fast with Tracker Pixel's loud ringer and bright LED lights. And when you lose an item away from your phone, rely on the power of Tracker's global network of users, CrowdLocate. You'll even get private location updates and quick access directions so you can track it down fast. Everything you need is right here with Tracker Pixel.
Hello?
Happy birthday!
Yeah, definitely. What time again?
Okay, Google, add more frosting to the shopping list.
Jimmy Tag is on my head. Wanna know, does it
I really think we should use this cone.
Okay, Google, take a note. Mark M5204 for the entrance wall.
There's moderate traffic from your location.
Okay, Google, send a message to Miles.
Okay, Google. Navigate to the nearest gift shop.
Head south on 36th Street.
Happy birthday!